5 money mistakes that keep you poor. Most people make these money mistakes without even realizing it. They work hard every day. They earn money, but still struggle financially. The problem is not income. The problem is habits. In this video, you will learn 5 common money mistakes that keep people poor and how you can avoid them. Let's start. Mistake number 1. Overspending without control. The first and most dangerous mistake is overspending. Many people spend more just because they earn more. Online shopping, food delivery, new gadgets, unplanned purchases. Small expenses feel harmless, but together they destroy your savings. If you don't control spending, money will control you. The solution is simple. Spend intentionally, not emotionally. Mistake number 2, not tracking expenses. The second mistake is not tracking where your money goes. If I ask you today how much you spent last month, most people don't know the answer. Money leaks silently when expenses are not tracked. Coffee, subscriptions, transport, small daily costs add up fast. Tracking expenses gives clarity. What gets tracked gets controlled. Mistake number 3. Living on credit cards. The third mistake is depending too much on credit cards. Credit cards make spending easy and pain-free today, but painful tomorrow. Interest, late fees, and minimum payments trap people in debt. Credit cards are tools, not free money. If you don't manage credit wisely, it will manage you. Mistake number 4. No emergency fund. The fourth mistake is not having an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, job loss, unexpected expenses. Without savings, people are forced to borrow. An emergency fund protects your peace of mind. Start small. Even 1 month of expenses is better than 0. Mistake number 5. Not investing early. The fifth mistake is waiting too long to invest. Many people think investing needs a lot of money. That is not true. Time is more powerful than money. Small amounts invested early grow big through compounding. The earlier you start, the easier wealth becomes. Avoid these 5 money mistakes, and your financial life will change. You don't need to be rich to manage money well. You just need the right habits. If you want simple, honest, and practical personal finance tips, subscribe to this channel. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.